Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make piyaya. Piyaya is a type of unleavened toasted flatbread filled with muscovado and is a popular delicacy in Negros Occidental. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! For the dough, we will need 2 cups of plain flour, half cup of lard or vegetable shortening, 3/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and sesame seeds for garnish or toppings. For the filling, we will need 1 1/2 cup of muscovado sugar, 1 1/4 cup of plain flour, 4 tablespoons of water, and 1 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the plain flour, salt, and mix them together. Add the lard, and cut it into the flour mixture. Until it forms coarse crumbs. Now, add the water and give it a mix. Using your clean hands, gather the dough together and transfer it in a floured surface and knead it until it becomes smooth. Occasionally, sprinkle some flour to prevent the dough from sticking too much into the work surface. After kneading, shape it into a log and cover it with cling film and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. In another bowl, add the plain flour, muscovado sugar, and mix them together. Add in the water and vegetable oil. Using your clean hands, gather them together until you form a dough. Then transfer it into a floured work surface and knead it until it becomes smooth. If it's too sticky, add a bit of flour. After kneading, shape it into a log and cover it with cling film. And let it chill for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cut the filling into half, roll it to elongate, cut it again, and divide it into 3, and shape each portion into a ball. Repeat the procedure with the remaining filling. Transfer the dough into the work surface, elongate it, and cut it into half, elongate it, and cut it into half, and divide it into 3. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Shape each portion into a ball. Then, flatten it and put the filling in the center, cover, and pinch to seal. Then, roll it, and flatten it using a rolling pin, and sprinkle sesame seeds, and continue rolling it until it becomes thin. By the way, you can also use other fillings for piyaya, such as ube and chocolate. What is your favorite filling? Comment down below in the comment section. In a pan over medium heat, cook each piyaya about 2 minutes each side. And here's our finished product! This piyaya is perfect for merienda or afternoon snack. It's also best served warm. And this is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!